Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see the reviews of apps in Play Store. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Play Store and you have logged into your account with your Gmail ID. So let's open it. So this is your home page. You can simply click on search icon here, and I want to see the review of TikTok app, so I am typing TikTok here. So you can click on your TikTok and you can scroll down, and this is the review. You can kindly read it, and also if you want to add your own review, you can tap on write a review here, and you can click on, and you can even rate it about 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 1. I am rating this app as a 5 here, and you can click on post icon here. Now your review has been posted successfully, and you can click on done icon. So this is the review which I have recently posted, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.